Did you know you can share form reports on Forms app with your audience? Like sharing your forms, you can share form records on Forms app with a few steps. Here is what you have to do. First, head over to the Results tab. Click on Share to open the sharing settings for form results. Here you can choose to show statistics, the number of responses you get, or individual responses, as well as changing privacy settings. Once you're done, copy the results link and share it with your audience or colleagues. That's all. Once you share the form results, people will be able to see the statistics and responses. By following these simple steps, share your form reports today. You can check out our other tutorials to learn more about Forms app and its advanced features.